Hey there, everybody. It's me, inuskypie. I'm very sorry if this offends anybody. I was watching some cutscenes in the game. I was like, I'm gonna film this, and well, this is what happened.
Hollow pirate disguise, perfect for parties and undercover misadventures. And for the little guy, a copy of my new exercise book, Body by Quark. So you two can have the cow.
I threw it on the ground. I'm not gonna let you poison me.
Can it be both? Just kidding. Here, I found this in Tachion's underwear drawer. I thought it was. I thought it might be a clue.
John!
What just happened? Then how did Tachyon survive?
Personal Tachyon, discovered by Lombax trillion miners eons after the war. Frozen.
No, wait. Where did the Lombaxes go? Why did they leave me behind?
Because you touch yourself at night.
Now, please. The Sony say Talwyn is in trouble. We need to get to Zordool.
You know, Clank, just once, I wish you'd listen to your...
John C!
instead of your imaginary ones.
Ratchet, please understand. The Dimensionator must be destroyed.
Why? Because
John C!
told you so?
Ratchet? Clank? Did I call it a bad time?
No, your timing was perfect, Quark.
I just thought of a great idea. Why don't we keep a journal, just like the Royal Pony Sisters?
Are you kidding? We used to do this all the time back on Kurlan.
We did?
Wait. No one likes sarcasm, Spike.
John C!
Never mind. Come on, we have to recall Gonzaga.
Keep your eyes peeled, Clank. It's gotta be here somewhere.
That Kerchu must have been protecting the device.
Look at this thing. I've never seen anything like it.
Ratchet.
This is incredible.
Ratchet. I think they followed us.
Give it back, Slag.
You picked the wrong spot for a fight, wee boy. Perhaps a flogging will teach you to meddle in the affairs of Corsairs.
That's a good one, Captain. You made a rhyme.
Shut up! The rats dine on Lombax tonight. Fare thee well, cruel galaxy. Fare thee well.
Captain? Captain? No! Why? Why?
Suppose now that you're our new captain, you'll be needing one of them gimmicky pirate names. The Dread Pirate.
It's Markiplier.
Perhaps?
Whoa. I'm your new captain?
Aye, 'tis the code, sir.
Thanks, but I'd rather have the Dimensionator.
Ratchet, we cannot allow it to be used even once. It is too dangerous.
I see. No way the Lombaxes could have invented something useful.
It is not logical to use this device, knowing the threat it poses.
What threat? You know, ever since the rocket sled, you've been nothing but a giant pain in my...
Shit!
Whoa, okay, take it easy, big guy. You just need to stop being so self-absorbed and whiny.
What? What the fuck?
How fitting. The Prince of the
Dragon dildo.
and the son of the Lombaxes, on the very ground their ancestors last fought.
I want that dragon dildo so badly. I want it.
I dig it.
Silence, you half-wit! I will deal with your deceitfulness later.
Son of a bitch.
To rise again! To rise again!
You've got crabs, ass face.
Horrors committed by your race to Till the Great War shall finally be reversed. Dimensionator, find the crack lines!
Oh, dude! What is that?
Oh, my favorite.
Ratchet, Ratchet, please, wake up.
Come on, Clank. Let's get back to the surface. Clank? Clank!
Ratchet! Are you okay?
He's gone. Clank's gone. Why didn't I just listen to him? He was right. He's always right. I should have destroyed that thing when I had the chance.
Hello, Ratchet.
Clank!
I am glad you are okay.
Yeah, me too. I mean, you too.
Guy love, that's all it is. Guy love, he's mine, I'm his.
Ratchet, you need to get...
You gotta help me get that doll and those girls!
Congratulations. Can you get me a dragon dildo?
Cowards! All of them! Only two stay behind. The Keeper of the Dimensionator and his infant son. I took great pleasure in destroying your father, Lombax. Pity he sent you to Solana before we could meet. I offer you this one chance. Go home, join your race, or stay and suffer.
If I leave you with the Dimensionator, no one will be safe. Not the Lombaxes, not my friends. I'm not going anywhere until it's destroyed.
Get the gold on back. So noble, so courageous, and so very dead. No. No! Work, you infernal machine!
Huh. You were right. Wormhole devices are dangerous. What? Oh, come on. It's not like one of those hollow films where you think the guy's dead and suddenly... We are so screwed.
You can't kill me, Lombax. Only I know your true purpose in this galaxy. Only I know your true name. The crime my return is inevitable. Your kind will never be safe to you.
Dimensionator, find home!
Ratchet, are you all right?
Where are we?
We are home, Ratchet.
Arr, you saucy wench!
I'm gonna need more clothes.
Dear Princess Celestia. Will you two be careful? Crow's head is a microcubit away from popping off.